I got a mule and her name is Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. She's a good old worker and a good old pal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some barges in our day, filled with lumber, coal and hay. And we know every inch of the way, from Albany to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, for we're coming to the town. And you'll always know your neighbor, you'll always know your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. We'd better get along on our way, old gal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal, 'cause you bet your life I'd never part with Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. Get up there, mule, here comes a lock. We'll make Rome by 6 o'clock. One more trip and back we'll go, right back home to Buffalo. Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, for we're coming to the town. And you'll always know your neighbor, you'll always know your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. Don't have to call when I want my Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. She trots from a stall like a good old gal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. I eat my meals with Sal each day. I eat beef and she eats hay. And she ain't so slow if you wanna know. She puts the buff